This is a roadside situation, and I wanted to have a look at the competitors of this Wedelia. So these people, they planted this Wedelia as a decorative, and it has settled here and become a invasive weed and spreading from here. And what we are looking at is a drain, where the open drain, where some of the drain water from some apartments and all and houses come in. And in this kind of place, the water supply is more, then there's no nutritious also, because it's a kind of a valley bottom situation is created, and nutrients gather there. Also that grey water from the houses and all there contain lot of nutrients, that dishwashed remnants and all. So one round of weeding was done here, complete weeding. Then immediately, of course, Wedelia started coming back. Then along with that, the plants were able to somewhat compete with it and contain it. One is this colocasia. In this portion, you can hardly see any Wedelia. Wedelia decreases from here. Then slowly that colocasia has taken over. Here this also was weeded, but it has tubers underneath, so it can recover and come back very fast. And here you can see Wedelia is there underneath. But this one has, this colocasia can compete, because it can grow taller. It can grow up to some 4 feet, 5 feet and all in a good location. Here it's almost 2 feet, 2.5 feet it has grown in hardly about a month's time. Then there it has become very tall. That's where the drain comes out of that house. There are about 20 people living there. So if one wants to naturally try to control this Wedelia, you have to select plants which in nature are already competing with it. So this colocasia is one of them. Then apart from that, there is one more plant. This botanical name I have forgotten. This one actually it's edible. You can make some chutney and use it in dal and all. And it's an aquatic plant. It can survive in a semi-moist or semi-submerged places like this drain bottom. These white flowers. Then third is one more Tunbergia is there. That one I can't see it right now, but that also I have noticed. And along with that, this mimosa also can somewhat compete. They can also grow vertically, and they are hardy. If you chop them from the roots, once again root remnants, the new plant can emerge. So then this one also, that Cassia tora, that first ones are coming up there. These 4 species are able to compete with the Wedelia. So if you want to naturally think of controlling it, then you have to plant something that can compete with it for sunlight and nutrition. So now here that colocasia is hogging up all the sunlight, so Wedelia is little less. Up on the upper portion, this colocasia is a bit weaker, upper portion of the drain, so Wedelia is more. Then this one also comes. That name, as I told you, I forgotten, that white flowered thing.